Yeah, hurt me. Hi. So this is what we got. We have water, juice. I know here look like a mess.
Ahora tenemos un amigo, nomás ahora en común todos.
Can't lie, like I had quite a few restaurants on my list to try for breakfast and brunch, but this restaurant, the food is good, and I just decided to stick with it. I enjoyed the combination, the pricing wasn't bad. I enjoy the food, and I was like, why not go back here? I know what I'm getting, I know the quality I'm getting. So if you go to Cancun, Mexico, this is a restaurant for you to try. It was in the first video, so go and check out the first video if you haven't seen it yet. And look at the glass. This is a glass of pineapple water. So they have flavored water where they put the natural fruit in it. And baby, enjoyed every sip, every glass. Thank you. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Love you. So on our last day, we had a late start. So we went grab breakfast. We packed up our suitcase, went grab breakfast, and then we came back to the hotel for the Uber to the airport. Now listen to me. If you're in Cancun, Mexico, and you're traveling late in the night, or you're going to the airport, or you're leaving from the airport to your hotel, just use the Uber app. It gets you there on time, and all will be well. So here we are driving out of the city back to the airport, and it was cheap. So Ubers are not that expensive. Of course, the local bus is are way cheaper, but you can take a Uber. It's not that expensive. Yeah, bye.
For me, I'll be down, because I love and I love and I love and I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now.
Miami for the night. Let's see what we get up to. Alright, so we're going to try and find our shuttle.
So if you're in Miami, this is how you'd find your hotel shuttle. You follow the instructions and you exit. You collect your baggage and you exit through the doors. There'll be a sign say, go downstairs to the ground floor to get the shuttle, and you just follow where I'm going right here. Normally there are a group of persons welcoming their family to the States and whatever, so you just follow the signs and you go outside, and the different shuttles will park at different gate numbers, so you have to identify which number door, they call it not gate, but which number door is your shuttle. It can get a bit confusing, but just follow the instructions, and there are always going to be airport staff that you can ask. So yeah. And while I was in Miami, I saw I think it's it's not Damian, it's Kimani. It's not Kimani. I saw one of the Marleys there, but I was looking for Damian because I love Damian really much. I love Damian Junior Gang Marley. His songs hit every time, and I was looking for him, but it wasn't him. It was his brother that I saw in Miami. But yeah, that was just a random moment of me seeing Jamaican artists, seeing a Jamaican artist abroad, and I was like, there we go. So this is me right here spotting the brother, and I was like, ooh, is Damien down there? And I had time to waste. I had time to spare. I was waiting for my shuttle to come. It didn't come. I had like 30 minutes or so to wait for it, and here I'm trying to sneak a video, going slowly. That's the brother right there, and I was like, where's Damien? But Damien wasn't there. Anyways, and then I had to walk back past them again to go back to where my shuttle is. Like, there are a few people in live. There are a few singers, DJs in live that I would want to see. Chronix is one of them. Damien is one of them. Vibes Cartel, and I met Vibes Cartel. Yeah. Oh, how can I forget? Burna Boy. Burna Boy was talking Jamaican. But Burna Boy, yeah, the African giant, yeah. Anyways, I had a long time to wait for my shuttle. I was out there like for 2 hours or so waiting for the shuttle. It was annoying. It was very annoying. Or 1 hour and a half. It was annoying. It messed up my entire evening plans. And yeah, I just went to the hotel, relaxed, ordered some food, some Chinese food to be delivered, and I was done. So I'm a girl that likes a free shuttle, like a hotel with a free shuttle, especially in the US. I love that. So I got the free shuttle, got to the hotel, and then they tried to check me in, and then from there I got to my room, and this is how my room is looking.
And we have iron hanger. For the other lights. Oh, you just have this light. Okay. This light. This is what the room looks. I need some more light. I need to turn off that AC. Okay. It didn't look really nice. This light. This light. Okay. It didn't look nice. You have coffee station, tea, TV. Focus. It looks good. You hurt me. Hi, I look homeless. And then we have an outside view of my passport, the key drop. Outside view of, I have no idea, but I'm hungry. There's a Macy's across the freeway. But I can't get something to eat. What must it be said? Oh, I never show you the bathroom. This is mopped up. This is a bathroom. But shocking. Ew. That's nice. It's okay. It's okay. I want to scrub off, but hey, focus. Focus on me. So we're in the shop. I'm trying to get some stuff to lunch over here.
I'm on your mind now. You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your wave right now. Yeah.
Juice, nuts. Yeah, I'm gonna look for some chips. Love banana cake. $8.25.
Look at Jamaican money. We're everywhere.
I got some stuff downstairs. Yes, I'm not feeling well, so I have medicine. We have some water.
Yo, hold up. Whoa. Hey.
We have rehydration salt. We got Welch's. It's already a Nutribar. Oreo. And we just order food. So let's see what we have. I think I got some Mexican rice, wings from, I think this is Chili's. sauce, sweet chocolate sauce, Mexican rice, but I'm just washing my hand. Mexican rice. Mac and cheese. Oh, the sauce bill. So this is what we got. We have water, juice. I know here look like a mess. Look at the kids they must snowboarding, skating. Oh my god. When am I gonna jump off and do one stunt? I'm gonna zoom in so I can zoom in and show you what I'm gonna do. He's going to jump off and do a stunt. I say, have your good pitney and then come out and work and broke up themselves. God forbid. I really wanted to go to the mall. But guess what? I have to leave here so by 10 so I can get to the airport. My flight is at 12:56. God damn. I'm gonna get ready now so we can leave. We're back in the airport. We're trying to find a regular checkpoint. These are really cute.
Chicken? Yes.
So we have fried rice, plantains, honey garlic chicken, lemonade, and we're eating from this spot. And just like that, we are going home.
Service to Latino Bank, Jamaica.
So we're back in Jamaica. And just like that, we're back in Jamaica. I look homeless, but yeah.
So when you arrive in Jamaica, there are quite a few things that you'll have to do. So you get off the plane and you walk a short distance somewhat with your carry-on luggage. And the first thing they're going to ask you about is your C5 form. Have you filled out your C5 form? So while you're on the plane or before you depart the country, because the Wi-Fi at the airport is a bit shaky, it's not very stable. So before you depart the country where you're coming from, ensure that you go on Google, search C5 form for Jamaica, C5 form for Jamaica, and you fill it out. And it's basically like a declaration form stating what you're bringing into the country, where you're staying, and stuff like that. Well, a lot of countries are using that during quarantine time, but we still use it. And then you get onto the computer and you're going to scan your passport. Not a computer, but one of these devices. Ensure that the device does not have that red thing at the top. It's supposed to be green, and then you enter in just a few information. And guess what? If you're coming into the country more than one time, it will register it and store it there for you. So you enter like your job, stuff similar to what you enter on the C5 form. And then it's a quick zoopsy zoops. You get down. If you're Jamaican, as I was saying, if you're a Jamaican citizen, you get to pass through one of those machines easily, and it just read you, scan your biometrics, and you go through. If not, then you're going to have to join one of those lines to go up to a custom or immigration agent, and then you go around, collect your checked luggage, and you go to the line that suits you, whether you're going into the line for nothing to declare or for something to declare, and bam bam bam, and they'll ask you just maybe like 2 questions, you know, where you're going, what you're coming into the country for, and if you have anything to declare, or did you buy anything on your trip to bring for any friends or whatever. And boom, you go through, and welcome to Jamaica. And I hope you enjoy Jamaica. I am a Jamaican, but I hope you enjoy Jamaica. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you. I love you. Bye.